Welcome to part 2 of front-end development. This is where the page comes alive. JavaScript, the language that makes the web interactive. HTML and CSS can build a page that looks perfect, but on their own, clicking that like button does nothing. Add JavaScript and suddenly the page responds. It reacts to you. HTML and CSS make it look right. JavaScript makes it actually do things. So what does JavaScript actually do? 4 core jobs. It handles input, clicks, and typing. It runs logic, making decisions, and applying rules. It talks to APIs, fetching and sending data. And it updates the UI live with no page reload. Input, logic, APIs, and live updates. That's JavaScript at work. Here's the cycle that powers every interaction. First, an event. The user clicks, and that click fires. Next, a handler runs. Your JavaScript logic executes. Then state changes. The count goes up by 1. Finally, the page re-renders, and the DOM updates to show the new value. Click, event, logic, state, re-render. That loop repeats every single time the user interacts, keeping the screen perfectly in sync. To write that logic, you reach for a handful of core building blocks. Variables store values. Functions package up reusable steps. Conditions let your code make decisions. Loops repeat work across a list. Objects and arrays hold structured data. And events connect everything back to the user. Together, these are the JavaScript toolkit you'll use again and again. Now, some tasks take time, like asking a server for data. JavaScript handles this asynchronously. When you call fetch, the request goes out to the API, but the main thread keeps running, so the UI never freezes. When the server returns the data later, a promise resolves through the event loop and the UI updates. Non-blocking by design, results land when they're ready. As your apps grow, you'll reach for frameworks: React, Angular, Vue, and Node. They look different, but they all build on the very same JavaScript core. Master the fundamentals, and every one of these becomes far easier to learn. So here's the takeaway. JavaScript is what turns a static page into a living, interactive app. Events, logic, the DOM, async, and APIs. These are the ideas that bring the web to life. Learn them well, and you can build anything.